And then you have officials abusing their powers to achieve policy objectives, using the coronavirus as an excuse. Specifically in California, we had Gavin Newsom spend $75 million in emergency money that he wasn't authorized to spend on illegal aliens, or trying to. And Judicial Watch is sued in court to try to stop that on behalf of taxpayers. $75 million. We saw the temporary restraining order. Outrageously, the court in that case said even though we were likely to succeed on the merits, meaning that Newsom had no authority to spend the money, that there was a public interest in illegal aliens getting illegal cash. I mean, think of the logic of that? Yeah, it may be against the law, but it's important that the people who aren't supposed to be here and are here in violation of the law get the money they're not allowed to get in violation of the law. If that's the case, why have law at all? We filed another case this week in Maryland, Montgomery County, which is the big jurisdiction just north of DC. So if you're looking at a map, well, I guess I can't say, well, here's DC and there's Maryland right there at the top of the triangle, at the top of the diamond. It's right over the border. So it's wealthy jurisdiction. It has terrible, terrible sanctuary policies that have encouraged the release of rapists who are illegal aliens just to avoid without telling ICE about them. It's unbelievably dangerous situation in Montgomery County as a result of their sanctuary policies. And the Montgomery County executive and company unauthorized spending, in an unauthorized way, is spending money or trying to spend money to give cash payments again to illegal aliens. The law requires that if you're going to give benefits to illegal aliens, it needs to be specifically passed by the state legislature. And that wasn't done in California, and it wasn't done in Maryland. County is doing it on its own. So we were in court, and the county moved it to, we filed it in local court, state court, but the county insisted on moving it up to the federal court. So we had a hearing this morning. I was able to listen in. It was a tele-hearing. I don't know what the court's going to do. He should be issuing a ruling soon on our temporary restraining order. But the irony is, you hear these leftists who are violating the rule of law talk about the 10th Amendment, that the states have a right to spend this money to help illegal aliens stay here in violation of federal law. Isn't it wonderful how all these leftists become originalists? And of course, it's just bunk, but it shows you how weak their argument is. So I'm hoping the court rules in our favor, at least in part.
Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to catch all the latest news from Judicial Watch.